Hi friends! Today we're going to learn about the short O sound. Are you ready? Let's go! Short O makes the ah sound, like in dog. Can you say ah with me? Ah. Here are some words with the short O sound. Hot, box, log, mop. Can you find the short O sound? Is it in pig or pot? That's right! It's in pot. Great job! Let's try another one. Is the short O sound in cop or sun? Yes! It's in cop. You're doing great. Let's sing our short O song. Ah, 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 ah. The dog and the cop run to the box. Sing along with me. Ah, 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 ah. The dog and the cop run to the box. Now, let's read some words with the short O sound together. Top, mom, cob, dot. Fantastic job, everyone. You're doing amazing. Let's celebrate. Remember, short O says ah. Keep practicing and have fun. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video today, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more educational videos like this, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.